Hi everyone. I feel like life is so different now that September is over. I feel like so much has happened. This month has been crazy. Such a roller coaster of a month. Today is a Monday, and for the first time in months, I actually took a break yesterday, which was Sunday. I don't remember not doing anything in a really long time, and every Sunday I actually went live on my Instagram. I did Sunday with Deb. That'll obviously continue, but like last Sunday, that is yesterday, I didn't do it, and I just relaxed, enjoyed. My birthday was amazing as well. I had a few close friends come over, and we cut a cake. I had alcohol after a really really long time, and it was so much fun, and I really wanted to thank all of you guys for all the lovely wishes. Like, I was overwhelmed. I'm still literally replying to people, and thank you so much for all the love for #Debasree. The response to #Debasree has been tremendous. I am so overwhelmed. Also, the pressure is on, you guys. Also, I do need a little bit more time to share more about the products, because we are slightly backtracked and it is taking a little longer, but it's not going to be too long. Yeah, it will be out soon, and I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on the product. So today is finally the day back to work. I'm kind of just doing a few things. I'm on my email. I also have a training that I'll be doing with the brand, so I'll be training like their employees on social media and content creation, so I'm really excited about that. So I was preparing and going through the entire PPT and practicing on how I will be presenting. It's obviously going to be on Zoom, so that makes it easier because you're doing it at the comfort of your home. But I don't remember the last time I actually presented a PPT. I think that was back in my MBA days. That was the last time I actually presented a PPT, and it's actually exciting. The entire process of kind of like making it and discussing it and figuring out how to talk and everything is exciting. Takes me back to my marketing classes. So yeah, that's happening today. And right now I'm actually gonna go and play with the products, create some looks, and also doing like little few errands here and there at home. I need to water my plants. I had to order a few essentials. I need to order like contact lenses, so I was just on Lenskart, and I just ordered that and a few other things that I needed to catch up on. So today is like back to work day, and it just feels different. I have like a new approach to the days now, because I know I'll be creating more content with my own product. It just feels so surreal to say that. But yeah, let's get started with the day. Enough chatting for one vlog, but I really needed to sit down and like share everything with you. Let's get started with the day. I also changed the direction of my sofa. The sofa used to be usually on that wall, against that wall, but I kind of turned it around, and it kind of looks so much better now. And remember those white shelves? I don't know if you remember those, but I had like 2 white bookshelves in here, and they broke, and it was time for me to kind of change it out. So I just put in this shelf right here. Yeah, I think it looks really nice now. I just got done doing my makeup. I hope it's not looking too weird on camera, but I will be filming a makeup transformation reel right now. I will quickly show you how I usually set up for doing my reels. It's one of those put your favorite record on. Yeah, I do know that trend where you like transform your makeup. I think it's called the 1 minute or 1 second versus 1 hour makeup challenge. That's what I think I'm going to do now. I want to create a nice look, so let me quickly show you. So I usually put my phone on my ring light. It comes with a holder like this. So that's usually how I like to film my reels, and I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I just realized I need a makeup palette. Wait. Found myself a makeup palette, so I will need that. Oh my god, doing reels is hard. I don't know what I did. I have no idea what I just did. Anyway, it's time to actually do the makeup look now. My eyes look so funny, and let's go create the actual glam look. I am done with the finished look. This is what it looks like. It's time for me to finish the reel, and I literally have 5 minutes till my training module starts, so I need to do this really quickly. So the training module is actually begun. I am right now listening to it, and I will be taking over soon. So yeah, that's happening now, and I did it. I made it on time. It's happening on Zoom, and I'm on mute, so I can talk and do this vlog. Different kind of content that can be created, different platforms that are available for us, and my inputs on a few things that you could be doing right and be an influencer yourself. So how to be a content creator. I mean, throughout this entire presentation, that's what we have been trying to figure out, how to be your own content creator, how to understand which platform really works for what kind of content. That's what I'll be talking about. But before we go ahead, I just wanted to quickly introduce myself just a little bit, just in case a few of you don't know who I am. I am Debasree Banerjee. I have been a beauty and lifestyle content creator for over 8 years now. I've been doing this for almost a decade, and doing that, I have really gained the experience, and I really understand now what kind of content really works and what does not really work. So I have created content for myself, and I have worked with several other brands in the beauty space, brands in the lifestyle and fashion space, and like all this trial and error process that has gone behind the scenes has really left me really rich with experience to really come here and talk to you guys about what really works. And I want you to pay attention, because I sometimes give out these few random tips and tricks here and there. So I hope you have your notes out, and in case you have any doubts, at the end of my slides I will be answering a few questions personally. So let's get started. Right, so here I believe that anyone can be a content creator, and I believe that everyone is extremely talented. Everybody has a certain skill, and which is why you're here right now, attending this and working with a wonderful brand like you are. So if you are someone with a talent, with a skill, and you have a smartphone, you can be a content creator. Now, See, content right now is an extension of who you are, your own personality. And going back to what Joanna spoke a lot about, was what your personality is needs to truly shine through into your content. And this is the only way people are going to come in, they're going to engage, and they are going to relate to your content, right? So when you create, like, the first thing that you have to think about when you are, say, creating a video or a picture, it needs to be of high quality. When I say high quality, do not chase perfectionism, because I have been affected by that. And don't compare your first steps of content creation to somebody else's, but try to create content that is to the best of your ability. If you have a smartphone, use that. Try and figure out how that works the best for you. Use natural light sources. Use a quiet environment where the sound is only focused on you. So try and create like really high quality content to the best of your ability, and like using minimum resources, which is why I said use your smartphone, use what you have already. And I'm pretty sure all of us have good smartphones right now. So the second thing, which is so important, is that you can't be consistent with creating content unless you are authentically yourself. If you are trying to imitate what somebody else is doing, you are going to crash and burn. Eventually it's going to show up. If you're using that monotone, very mechanical language, it's going to, crash and burn because you can't keep that, you can't sustain that. You can be someone who's overexcited, just trying to really sell it hard. I am excited about doing this, and you can't be consistent with that. But when you find your true personality, when you really create a lot of content where you're authentically yourself, you will soon understand and learn what your audience really appreciates. And then I want you to consistently really start churning out videos and or pictures like that. Okay, the third most important thing is analytics. Analytics truly is the guiding source for what your content is going to be. If you are someone who creates on Instagram, I'm sure you have this option where you can go to your insights and check what is really working and what isn't getting as much engagement or any sort of response whatsoever. So once you check your analytics, I really want you to make a habit of checking what's working, what's not working, which is getting a lot more shares. Your key important things to check in your analytics would be the shareability of the content that you have created, how much engagement it's getting. And when I mean engagement, I mean likes and the comments. Okay, and then lastly, the amount of followers you're getting, and which content has given you more followers, and in which content you're losing followers. So that tells a lot, right? It tells a lot about what the audience want to see. And eventually your analytics is also going to really inspire you to create newer content. So you don't even have to think and go back and ideate ki chalo aaj kya banana hai, So you have your analytics backing you up and telling you what sort of content you should be consistently creating. Okay, so then another thing that really worked for me, especially in the initial days of my influencing career, is really networking. I'm telling you, any situation can be an opportunity to network, and people don't really understand the value of networking and collaborating. Right? So even right now, you have so many like-minded people. You're all working under the same umbrella. You all have the same values. Your goals are right now the same: to be your own influencer, to be your own content creator. And I'm pretty sure one of you is more skilled at something, and the other one is, much more talented in something else. So I really want you to kind of use this as an opportunity to kind of collaborate, find out who do you really click along with, you know, and do a look together, and this way you can really generate traffic. So I just got done with my training. That was so long. I am parched, but it's immediately time for me to work out, so that's what I'm going to do now. I have Suraj live and I am all set to work out. Also, I'm too lazy to remove my makeup and work out. I just got done working out. It was a really intense session because I worked out after I think 3 or 4 days because of the entire launch, the brand. Yes? Shadow, you're barely in my vlog today. Shadow wants attention. Come on, come sit here with me. Oh, good girl. Sit here next to me. Sit here. Yeah, good girl. So yeah, now that she's seated, such a little attention seeker, aren't you? Such a little attention seeker. Look at her. Oh, you're so cute. I like the way you're sitting. So distinguished. Oh, a little button, cute as a button. Yeah, we usually like to drink our protein shake together. I'm usually sitting with her, and after my workout, this is our time, our moment. We usually hang out and play. So yeah, as soon as I sat down with my protein shake, she came along. But yeah, I hadn't worked out for like 3 to 4 days because of the entire launch, and there was so much going on. So today I'm really tired. I could barely keep up. But it's gonna get better, obviously. And I also took quite a lot of time out to do lots and lots of stretches, so that is making me really relaxed. But it has been such a nice day. I'm so glad to be finally back to work and creating like videos again. And yeah, so I think right now I'm gonna go obviously take a shower and edit this video and put it up right away. Thank you so much once again for joining me all along September, for all the love, and I will also continue to keep making vlogs because I know you guys are enjoying it so much, and I know you will enjoy watching more of Shadow doing what she does best, sitting like this. What is this? What animal are you? Little cutie. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my videos, and I will see you soon. Bye.